everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 8 English grammar and the topic is use of preposition. Okay. So guys, in this video we will discuss about preposition. Okay. So firstly I want to tell you what is the definition of a preposition. So what the definition is written in your book you can watch, but I'm going to tell you a new definition, that is preposition is a word which is used before a noun or pronoun to show its relation with another noun or pronoun in a sentence. Okay, this is my definition, but the definition which is written in your book I'm going to read. A preposition is a word usually placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to some other words in a sentence. Okay, you can write either this sentence or the definition which I am going to tell you. Preposition is a word which is used before a noun or pronoun to show its relation with another pronoun in a sentence. For example, there is a mobile phone on the table. So here on is a preposition because mobile phone is a noun, table is also noun. What is the relation between these two nouns? The word on denotes. Okay. Next sentence is that Akash is fond of music. Okay, Akash is also a noun and music is also a noun. What is the relation between Akash and music? Fond of indicates. Okay, so next we will learn here in sentence on shows the relation between mobile phone and table phone. In second two, of shows the relation between fond and music. In sentence third, the boy jumped into the canal. Into shows the relation between jumped and canal. So preposition, you can say that use a preposition. Use a preposition. A preposition of place or direction. Okay, preposition of time, preposition of place. Okay, so here different kinds of preposition, and just now we are going to learn preposition as a place or direction. Okay, but guys, you should write the firstly you should write the title, then definition, few example, then use of preposition. This topic should be written in your copy. Preposition of place or direction: at, in, into, to, on, before, after, behind, across, up, down, beside, above, over, between, beyond, among, in front of, near, along, towards, through. Okay, say this is through. So one by one we are going to discuss what is the use of preposition between and among. As you know, between is used for two persons or thing, but among is used for more than two persons or thing. Okay, both the boys distributed chocolate between themselves, but here only two boys, so for them between is used. The men started quarreling among themselves. There are more than two persons men, so here among is used. Okay, beside, the meaning of beside is by the side of, side by side. I sat beside my father in cinema hall. Next thing is by. Use of by means near. He was sitting by the fire. She sits by her friend. Okay, next thing, across and along. Next preposition, across and along. across shows movement through something. Across shows movement through something. Along shows movement by the side of something. For example, a child ran across the road. मीन्स इन शॉर्ट हिंदी में अगर हम कहें अक्रॉस इस पार से उस पार, ओके। जैसे रोड आप क्रॉस कर रहे हैं तो इस साइड से उस साइड, फ्रॉम दिस साइड टू दैट साइड, दैट इज अक्रॉस। द जॉगर्स वॉक्ड along the river. The joggers walked along the river. Okay. In and into. In means inside. In means inside. And to shows movement outside to inside. Krishna lives in Mumbai. The police rushed into the building. Next thing, hereby is used for near. He was sitting by the fire. She sits by her friend. Under indicates a lower place. Under indicates a lower place. Okay. He is working under pressure. Okay. Beneath shows something lower than. Guys, you should notice that these prepositions used should be written in your copy. Suppose under is used to indicate a lower place. For example, one preposition, then its usage, then example. Okay, in this way you should note down this in your copy. Below is also used. Below means something lower in amount, rank, etc. For example, the rumor has spread throughout the state. Okay. Next thing is through. Use of through, movement from one into the other. It is difficult to pass through buses. So guys, your today's homework is that firstly you should write a title of your chapter number 16. Next you should write definition, either this or the definition which your teacher has told you. Then few example. Then use a preposition of place or direction, this preposition. Then I'll write all preposition one by one, between, among, example, across, along, example, in and into, example. Okay, so this is your homework.